ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांतिः शांतिः शांतिः। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांतिः शांतिः शांतिः। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय आणो शाखिया बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद पेज नंबर 296 अविद्या सूत्र फर्स्ट लाइन इन टीका। तद उपायम अपि तत्वज्ञानं तेषां देवा विद्विषन्ति इत्याह। विद्वषन्ति इत्याह। विद्विषन्ति नहीं, विद्विषन्ति इत्याह। तो पूर्व वाक्य वाज मनुष्याणां पशुभावात् व्युत्थानम अप्रियम इति देवानां स्थिते। Devatas consider Manusya as Pashu. Means not literal Pashu. Just as for Manusya it is Pashu, for Devatas it is Manusya. So in this way, they consider that they want to possess Manushyas so that they will make offerings, and that way it will keep Devatas' position strong. And therefore Devatas like Vyutthanam. Vyutthanam means karma sannyas, getting up from samsara, grahasthashrama, that I am done. Like how people, when they get up, this Devatas don't like. So in our buddhi, what is sannyasa? If you can take external sannyasa and you can walk out, that is very good. If you cannot do, internal sannyasa means I should get up from all this. I am not interested in any of this anymore. This is internal sannyasa. This is vyutthanam. That other than Atma, I don't want to see anything. I don't want to talk about anything. Nothing. Other charcha, this person, that person, this, nothing. This is internal vyutthanam. If you cannot take external sannyasa, you should have tivra ichha for throwing away everything else from your mind, not outside. That tivra ichha from within, asukshepane dhatu is there in sannyasa. That hatao all this. This at least everyone can have. This, the one who has, is actually a sannyasi. If this has not come to me yet, in other words, Chitta Shuddhi, I have to pay a lot of attention to. And for that person, they have to propitiate Devatas, they have to do all the puja, etc. But those who are having this attitude, or those who study and see, those who are seriously studying Tattva Jnanam, for them, Devatas Vidvishanti. For those who are casually studying Tattva Jnanam, Devatas say, don't worry, nothing is going to happen. You study 4 or 5 other granthas also. So, tad upayam api. Tad upayam Pashubhava Vyuthana Sadhanam means this, that I am now not going to do this anymore. So it's not that I am not interested in doing karma anymore. Because that anyway most people don't do. What the internal bhava should be, I am not interested in sansara. I am not interested in all this idam here, idam there, what is happening. I am not interested. This, the person who either has it or is strongly, seriously seeking. And for that, if that person is going after Tattva Jnanam, that devatas have dvesha. Tesham devaha vidvishanti. Ityaha. Tasmat esham devanam tanna priyam. Kintat yad etad brahmatma tattvam kathanchana manushyaha vidyur vijaniyuh. Tasmad esham devanam tanna priyam. Therefore, for these devatas, this is not priyam, that if some manushyas are seeking brahmatma tattvam. Kim na priyam? Yad etad brahmatma tattvam kathanchana manushyaha vidyuhu vijaniyuhu. Vidu jnane dhatu kartari vidiling. Vidyat vidyayatam vidyuhu. Vidyat vidyatam vidyuhu. टीका तत्व विद्यायाः दौर्लभ्यत्वम् अथवा दौर्लभ्यम कथंचन इति उक्तम. इन भाष्य इट वाज सेड कथंचन मनुष्या विद्युः means not everybody, some people only. Brahmatma tattva, when it is rare, tattva vidyayaः daurlabhyam, tattva vidya is durlabha, tasya bhava daurlabhyam. That's why daurlabhyatvam is twice bhava prayoga. That is not required. Only daurlabhyam is enough. That's why in the bracket they have given corrected reading. So now if someone says, but Brahmatma Tattvam is easily available, even if it is easily available, the seriousness for getting out of all this, for moksha means छूटने की इच्छा. मोक्षो में भूयाद इति तीव्र इच्छा. This is not there for most people. And that's why devatas don't worry about those people. मनुष्याणाम उत्कर्षम देवाः न मृष्यन्ति इति अत प्रमाणम आह. Devatas don't like Manushya's utkarsha. Utkarsha means growth. Growth means spiritual growth. That they will have more chitta shuddhi, etc. Pashubhava vyutthanam. Here everything is Pashubhava vyutthanam, that Drishtanta is given. So you should understand that Utkarsha is, now is going into the next ashram. Seriously. Devaha na mrishyanti. Iti atra pramanamaha. तथा च स्मरणम अनुगीतासु भगवतो व्यासस्य. भगवान वेद व्यासी in Anugita he has given. In Mahabharata somewhere later Anugita comes. There is something called Uttar Gita also. That is different. This is different, I am assuming. Uttar Gita is where Arjuna had asked Bhagavan again, Bhagavan, what did you say that time? So many things you were saying, and finally you said, Ma Manusmara Yudhyacha. What was all that? Can you say that again? Now I am little bit. And Bhagavan said, time is gone. Now I will just tell you something in brief. Bas. क्रियावैकौन्तेय देवलोकः समावृतः न चैतदिष्टं देवानां मर्त्यैरुपरिवर्तनम्.
क्रियावद्भिः कौन्तेय देवलोकसमावृतः न चैतदिष्टं देवानां मर्त्यैर्परिवर्तनम्।
क्रियावद्भिर्हि कौन्तेय देवलोकः समावृतः. क्रियावद्भिः, those who are performing karma, upasana, etc., by them alone, devaloka samavritah. Devaloka is attained. न च एतद् इष्टं देवानां मर्त्यैः उपरिवर्तनम्. It is not ishta for devatas that martyas go into devaloka. Or no, that martyas rise above this devaloka also. टीका तेषां ब्रह्म विद्या कैवल्य प्राप्ति ही सुतराम अनिष्टा इति भाव. That devatas don't like that manushya attain brahma vidya and kaivalya constantly, even for few days. If you go on just having one thought, other than moksha nothing, other than moksha nothing, other than moksha nothing, you will slowly see lot of things which are unnecessary in life, they will drop out. And your Brahma Jignasa or Moksha Ichha will become intense. In Shastra, sannyasa has been glorified, but at the same time, Drishtanta of Janak Maharaj or in Mundakopanishad, that there is a parampara of all these gurus who are all grahasthas. So Bhagavan Bhashyakar in Mundaka Bhashya says, they don't have grahastha linga. Means they are sannyasi at heart. What does that mean? They are not interested in any unnecessary, unwanted discussion. Focused only on either jnana prapti or jnana nishtha. So they look like grahasthas, but they are not. Why I am emphasizing? Because those who are able to leave everything and go away, it is easy. But even after that, if I carry a lot of baggage of other things other than moksha, then I am not a sannyasi. Means I am not a tivra mumukshu. Those who don't have the other option of leaving everything and walking out, this option they will have to strengthen even more. That I am not interested in other things. I am not interested in other things. Just as they say, cut it out. So I don't want. This is required. टीका देवादीनां मनुष्येषु ब्रह्मज्ञानस्य अप्रियत्वे अपि किं स्यात् इति आशंका आह. For devatas, if they don't like that manusya pursue brahmajnana, brahmajnanasya apriyatvam manusyeshu, among manusyas, so what will happen? Kiಂ स्यात् ato devaha pashun iva vyagradibhyo brahma vignanat vignam achikiršanti. Devatas pashun iva vyagradibhyah. How pashu will have vigna. Vyagradibhya. Vigna will come from Vyagradi. Like that, Brahma Vijnanat, Vignam Achikiršanti. So, Manushya, if they are seeking Brahma Vijnanam, they will create some Vigna. Devata Parangmukh Tesham Vignam Acharatam Abhiprayam Aha. What is the Abhipraya of this Devata creating Vigna? Asmad Upabhogyatvan Ma Vyutteshteyuhu iti. that he is our upabhogya, means he is providing us all this. So, ma vyuttishtheyu, may he not get out of this, may he not take sannyasa, may he not stop karmas. And karma bhava is this. Kayika karma, vachika karma, manasa karma, it will keep you occupied. So if someone says, in this janma I am not doing karma, don't worry, in next janma, again you will do the same thing. Ma vyuttishtheyu, this is their thinking. Tarhi devadibihi upahatana manushyanam mumukshaiva na sampadhyata. Then somebody is asking, then those who are upahata, means overpowered by devatas. Upahatanam karpanya doshopahata svabhava. Upahata. Devadibihi upahatanam manushyanam. Those manushas who are upahata by devatas. Mumukshaiva na sampadhyata. They will never have mumuksha only. Iti ashankyaha. Shakar is missing. Yantu mumochaishanti tang shraddhadibhir yokshyanti. Mumochaishanti. Mumochaishanti, what is the dhatu?
Much.
Much.
Dhatu.
Much dhatu, and what is the pratyaya?
San pratyaya.
Nich pratyaya and then san pratyaya. Both are there. Rijanta, so yakara is there. And dvitva is there, so sannanta. So first nich pratyaya. Dhatu will become mochi. Then mumocha ishanti. San pratyaya will come after that. Mumocha. So when there are both pratyayas, see san pratyaya, what is the meaning of san pratyaya? Ichha. Icharthaka san pratyaya. And nich pratyaya? Nich means
Prompting.
to make somebody else do. So mumocha ishanti means mochaitum ichanti. Devata's desire for others to seek moksha. The Purva Paksha question was, if Manushyas are overpowered by Devatas, they will not have moksha anyway. So he says, no, Devatas will desire moksha for some. Mumocha ishanti means they will create the moksha desire in others. If nich pratyaya is not there, then the meaning would be they desire for moksha for themselves. But here, they want to create desire in others for moksha, in the Manushyas. How? Tam shraddadibhir yokshanti. They create shraddha, etc. in these people. They have more shraddha. Adi means all other sattvic gunas. And yokshanti means yujidhatu. So they associate them with this. Viparitam ashraddadibhihi. And those whom they don't want to attain liberation, they will create ashraddha, etc. in them. Tika uktam hi nadevadandamadaya rakshanti pashupalamat chanti uddhyayantitam nadeva dandamadaya pashupalavat rakshanti. Devatas, they don't take a danda in hand and like a pashupalaka, the one who protects animal, and then take care of them. Then what do? Yam hi rakshitum icchanti. To those whom they want to protect. Tam buddhya sanyojayanti. They give good buddhi. Buddhya, 12 number tippani. Shraddhadi yuktya shuddhya buddhya. Shraddhadi yukta shuddha buddhi they give. This is called Devata protecting them. Protecting means Devatas want that such people can attain moksha. For such people, Devatas don't mind. Viparitam, see what is given. Tarhi kim iti sarvan eva devana anugrinhanti. Then why don't Devatas bless everybody? Iti ashankyaha. There are viparita people. So for them, ashraddha devihi. They will always have ashraddha. Devata parang mukham amumocha ishitam iti yavat. Those who are Devata parang mukha, for them, no moksha ichha. Samprati Deva प्रिय वाक्य न ध्वनितम अर्थम आह. This वाक्य on mantra we have to see. Priyam bhavati is given, no? Devan priyam bhavati. Apriyam is there. That is trying to explain now. संप्रति देवा प्रिय वाक्य न ध्वनितम अर्थम आह. तस्मात् मुमुक्षुर देवाराधन परः श्रद्धा भक्ति परः प्रणेयः प्रणेयो अप्रमादी स्यात् विद्या प्राप्तिम प्रति विद्याम प्रति इति वा. Therefore, what mumukshu should do? Devaradhana paro bhavet. This vakya has Bhashyakara has used elsewhere also. Mumukshur devaradhana paro bhavet. He should do Bhagwan's aradhana. If moksha ichha is not there or tivra ichha is not there, they should do some upasana. Then Shraddha Bhakti Paraha, endowed with lot of Shraddha and lot of Bhakti. Praneyaha. Praneyaha Vashi. Vashi means he should control his mind, Indriyas, and Apramadi. In Shravanadi or Mana Samadhana, Pramada should not be there. Shravanadisu Mana Samadhana Vaidhuryam is Pramada. So in Shravanadi, Mana Samadhana is not. Means either no interest in Shravanam or sitting there, but Mana is not Samahita. Asamahit Mana in Shravanam. This is Pramada. This he should avoid. Apramadi Syat. Vidya Praptim Prati. Towards Vidya Prapti or Vidyam Prati or towards knowledge. Tika. Avidvatsu Manusheshu Devadinam Swatantriyam Tat Shabdartha. Tasmat means Avidvatsu Manusheshu Devadinam Swatantriyam. Devatas, they have independence. So once a person starts getting lot of sattva, then Devatas, they will not do anything. If a person is Rajoguni, Tamoguni or Vishaya Sakta, Devatas say, yes, he is going to stay in this only. So Devadadi, they have swatantriyam towards such manushas. Shraddhadi pradhanas tad aradhana paraha san devadinam priyah syat. Now, who is going to be actual devadinam priyah? Shraddhadi pradhanah. Shraddhadi pradhana yasya saha Shraddhadi pradhanah. Tad aradhana paraha. And Devada aradhana paraha pujadi. Then devadinam priyah syat. Tad vipakshasya mumuksha vaiphalyat ityartha. And the one who is tad vipakshi means not similar. The one who is not like that, his mumuksha will be vaifalya. It will not give phalam. Means it nirarthaka. Tat priti vishayascha tat prasada asadita vairagya sarvani karmani sanyasya vidya prapaka shravanadikam prati ekagramanaha syadityaha. Tat priti vishayascha tat prasada asadita vairagya. Tat means devanam prasada. Devatas, they have blessed this person. What is Devata having preeti towards Manushya, towards those who have Shraddha? What does that mean? This is the meaning. What? Devatas will give prasada. What is that prasada? Prasada asadita vairagya. Vairagya they will have. Sarvani karmani sanyasya. Then that person will throw away all karmas. Throw away all karmas means he'll throw away all garbage from his mind. We generally understand literally, karma I have given up. Garbage in the mind, I carry. What is the use of such karma sannyasa? Karma sannyasa means no unnecessary chatter in the mind also. Sanyasya, vidya prapaka shravanadikam prati ekagramanaha syat. And this vidya prapaka, Brahma vidya prapaka is shravanadi. Shravanadi is sadhanam. Towards that, ekagramanaha, how will be the vigraha? Ekagram mano yasya saha ekagramanaha. Ekagramanaha. How will the dirgha come? Nachiketaha. How is the dirgha there? What is the sutra? Sakaranta Shabda is there. So dirgha, how will it come? Manas is there. Manaha it became. Atvasantasya chadhatoho. Atvasantasya chadhatoho. We have seen this earlier. Ekagramanaha. Visarga comes from? Where does Visarga come from?
Thus itself is has
So Manas has Sakara. What happened to Supratyaya?
हलङ्ग्याभ्यो दीर्घाच्युतस्य प्रक्तं हल्.
Alangyabhyo dirghasya pruktam hal. Sakara lopa will happen there. So Manas Sakara became Visarga here. Ekagramana. In Shravanadi, he will be Ekagra. His mind will be Ekagra. Ekagram mano yasya. And Sarvani Karmani Sanyasya. So Bhashyakara is very straight. You see the sequence. First Vairagya, then Karma Sanyasa, then with Ekagramana Shravanam, then Vidya Prapti. This is the Krama. Apramadi iti. Apramadi. श्रवणादिकम अनुतिष्ठन् अपि वर्णाश्रमाचार परो भवेत्, अन्यथा विद्यालक्षणे फले प्रतिबंध संभवात् इति आशयेन आह. See, श्रवणादिकम अनुतिष्ठन् अपि, even if he has to do Shravanadi, means he follows that. Varnashrama achara paro bhavet. Varnashrama achara he is not going to drop. Unless he takes Vidivat sannyasa, then sannyasa dharma he will have to follow. Anyatha vidya lakshane phale pratibandha sambhavat. Otherwise in the phalam, which is also vidya lakshanam, there pratibandha will come. That's why in Bhashya, Bhashyakar said, Vidya praptim prati, vidyam prati itiva. Either for vidya prapti means shravanam, or towards vidya there could be vigna. So therefore we have to cultivate shama, dhamma, etc. also, vairagya also, and continue to follow whatever rules that we are told or asked. भयादि निमित्ता ध्वनेर विकृति ही काकुरुच्यते. In Bhashya it is given kakva etat pradarshitam bhavati. Deva priya vakyena. So somebody said up till now devanam priya you were discussing. Now suddenly deva apriya vakya. So Bhashyakar said this is kakva, kaku. What is kaku? Bhayadi nimitta dhvanehe vikriti is called kaku. Out of fear, what you want to say, you end up saying something else. It's called kaku. Kaku uchyate. Yatha aha drishtanta is given in tika. Kakuhu striyam vikaro yaha shoka bhityadi bhirdvanehe iti. Yaha shoka bhiti आदि भी ध्वनेः स्त्रियां विकारो काकुः. Out of fear, out of grief, out of fear, the dhvani in the voice for women, striyam, the vikara that comes is called kakuhu. Means it can happen in anybody. This is just a quotation. Taya kakwa, by this kakwa is tritiya. Kakwa काण्व श्रुते हे स्वर कंपेन भयम उपलक्ष्य देवादि भजने कल्प्यते तात्पर्यम इत्याह. So this kanva shruti, as if its swara has kampanam. So deva priya, now suddenly deva apriya is said. So Bhashyakar and Tikakar says this is kanva shruti swara kampanam. Means it should be deva priya, but deva apriya, that word has come. Deva priya. Bhayam upalakshya devadi bhajane kalpyate tatparyam. Tatparyam is in devadi bhajanam. With this, 1-4-10 is complete. So let's take just a couple of minutes and think through. From 1-4-7 to 1-4-10, this is where a lot of Brahmajnanam was taught. What is Jagat Srishti? Means Paramatma's Pravesha. The Nama Rupatmaka Srishti, then Pravesha. And in that we discuss what is this Pravesha. What is the objective of this? This is Tat Pada Vichara primarily. Why this should be there? So that I don't think Brahma is outside of this creation somewhere. That's why they talk about Pravesha. Paramatma has entered everything. And that Paramatma has also entered this Vyashti Sharira, Panchamahabhuta. So, when I understand Paramatma expresses a Srishti, that Tatpada is Vyapaka. And Paramatma has entered in this Sharira means that Paramatma is now thinking he is Jivatma. So Mahavakya is given. The one who has created has entered here. So Jivatma Paramatma Ikya is given through this Pravesha Shruti. The one who understands this becomes all. How did Brahma become all? Because Brahma understood itself as Brahma. Brahma understood itself as Brahma means Brahma understood itself as the one from whom this Srishti has come and that which has entered. So I should understand I am that who expresses this Srishti and I alone have entered in all. And for this, what all sadhanas are required? So it was expressed as separating myself from pramata. First separating myself from bahya vishaya and coming to pramata. Means let go of idam, come to aham. Then let go of aham, come to atma. Vishaya means idam. Pramata is also idam. But with respect to vishaya, pramata is thought of as aham. So first you come up to this point. Then you let go of this and come to real aham. That aham is vyapaka also. In this way I should understand. And it was said, this knowledge can come to anybody. Yo devanam pratyabudhyata tatha atha manushyanam tatha rishinam. And rishis among manushya, anybody. What should be the understanding? Aham manu rabhavam suryascha. I am Manu, I am Surya, etc. And between knowledge and its phalam, there is no gap. How it was expressed? Pratipede. How? Rishir Vamadeva Pashyan
Pratipede.
Pratipede. So, understanding, immediately realizing in this way. And that Devata's Vigna part and all that we saw. So, mukhya thing that we should pay attention to is this. How I will recognize my Brahmatva. All this has come only for that. To tell how you understand you are Brahma. This is no other prayojanam. This is not for all other analysis and writing notes and everything. I have to understand I am Brahma. Anytime if I lose focus, then Karpanya dosha will happen. It can happen to anybody. And therefore, I have to be very alert in this sadhana. That all other things, they are secondary for me. So in Vidya Sutra, that Atmetyoupasita, which was given, that will take me all the way up to this point. Pashyan Pratipede. And otherwise, there is Avidya Sutra, and entire Veda has only two vibhaga. Either you have Jnana Yoga, Adhikara, you go for it. Or you are Karma Yogi, so you do go for that. Jnana Yogena Sankhyanam, Karma Yogena Yogina. In this way, all the teaching, etc., is summarized here. Now, more of this Vistar of Avidya Sutra will continue. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति।